Hi there. Now, you may be under the impression there is no YouTube app for the Amazon Firestick, and technically there isn't, but we're going to search for something else. So instead of searching for YouTube, we're going to search for Firefox. Now, that's the Firefox browser that you may be familiar with, and if you're not, worth trying out on Windows or on Mac OS X. A very good browser. But we're going to use the browser on our Amazon Firestick. So there we go, we've got Firefox browser, so we'll select that and we select it from the apps, and we're going to download that. Now, I've previously downloaded Firefox, so it's already waiting for me to download it. It'll ask you to get it first, and then it'll process that through your Amazon account, but then you can download. We'll queue it. It'll take a couple of seconds, maybe a minute or so, to download and install. It's an easy to use browser, but obviously we're not looking at it to use as a browser, we're looking for YouTube. So there we go, we open that up, and lo and behold, when our Firefox browser starts up, yeah, turbo mode, worth using, makes it quite a bit better on the Firestick. There you go, there's YouTube for you. So to install YouTube, you install Firefox, and then when we open up the YouTube app, it's going to ask us to sign in. There you go, there's a familiar face. So don't search for the YouTube in the Firestick apps. Search for Firefox and go to YouTube from Firefox. Much better experience. As you can see, you've got a standard YouTube page here to search from. We can go up to search and we can search for whatever video you're looking for. And if you come to find YouTube, you know how good YouTube is, so you can find just about everything. So we can search away, and it will give you the options of what you're looking for, so it will preempt your search, and it gives you that there. Now, I haven't signed in here, but if I'd have signed in, I can also check out the channels that I've previously subscribed to. So I can go along down to the left hand side menu, and I can select my channels. As I said, I haven't signed in, so it hasn't got my data in, but all the channels that I watch there. And also with YouTube now, you've got premium stuff, so you can subscribe to stuff and pay for movies, and you can watch it all there. So if you've bought YouTube premium products, the thing to look for is Firefox, not YouTube. Thanks for watching. I hope that's useful. If it is, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share.